PipSnipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at Filecoin over here. And very bullish on Filecoin. The reason for that is because we're on this macro historical support, which we used many times in the past, more specifically back in 2019, 2018, before we had that nice pop to the upside for our March 2020 bull market. Now we're back here in 2022 using it as support, and we've just been ranging in here, using it as support in 2023, using it as support in 2024. And this is textbook Wyckoff accumulation at the lows, going a little bit, spanning a little bit over 2 years. This is about 770 plus days of accumulation. And when we take a look here at the time cycles, we do see that where we are due for this pump going into September, October, okay, and then we would likely come towards this structural resistance over here. So you see how we used this level over here as resistance back in 2018 when we had the airdrop, right? And then you used it as resistance again here in 2020 of August, used it as support, use it as resistance here in the bear market in 2022. Wouldn't surprise me we come back up here and use it as resistance again in 2024, and that would be sitting right at the 50% fib, or in other words, the equilibrium measured from our 2021 high down to our low here in 2023. Okay, so a move towards the equilibrium would be expected, sitting at around $23. It's a little bit under a 10x. So if we take a look here, we can see that from current price, it would be a little bit under a 10x, so about 484%. If we take it up towards the 61.8% fib, which is also the value area high, from the peak down to this low, it's about a 10x. So when we take a look here at the Filecoin on the Binance chart and analyze the volume right from the peak here in April 2021 down to this low, down to the trough in December 2022, we see that the value area high is sitting around here at $42, $41. So that would coincide with the 61.8% fib right over here at $40. Now, knowing how the algo works in crypto, usually you do see the price gravitate towards the 702, 786 before you tend to see that reversal. So your initial TP should be a wave of excitement above this accumulation range that you have here at $23, not financial advice, and then definitely save some coins just in case it goes towards that $40 to $60 region near the value area high measured from our peak down to our trough. Okay, so this is the value area high here, and the POC is right over here. So once you get over the POC sitting at $7.30 and then find support above it, then it's likely we'll go ahead and quickly move towards our value area high sitting at around $40. Okay, so this is Filecoin over here, and when we take a look here at the momentum indicator, we do see that it is turning up from the lows on the 3-day time frame. Okay, turning up from the lows, and then we also have the 2-week stock RSI about to cross. Every time we had this 2-week stock RSI cross, we did go on a nice run. You can see back here, we've actually never been this oversold on the stock RSI. And the fact that this is the 2-week time frame is even more significant because high time frame, like I said in my last video, always takes precedence over the small time frame. So as long as these lows hold over here, and then we get back above the median of this Wyckoff accumulation range, then it would be a telltale sign that we are on our way for our jump across the creek. Okay, so this is your creek, right? You see how we're just slowly creaking down here, and then this over here would be your jump across the creek. Maybe come down for a little bit of a back test and then continue higher. I hope you guys enjoyed the Filecoin video. Structurally, Filecoin is looking good. Now that I'm looking at this does look like a macro bearish head and shoulders pattern if it were to come up towards the 61.8% fib. Because right over here, this over here would be your left shoulder. this over here would be your right shoulder, your left shoulder, your head, and then this over here would be your right shoulder. And then this is your neckline, and then you'd come down from there like this. This is just an estimated trajectory. Now that I'm looking at this chart, we do see that it would come up to form a possible right shoulder in a macro head and shoulders pattern. So hope you guys enjoyed the Filecoin video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.